Welcome back here to Bees Trucking. I thought I ain't done a video in forever on this one. Some of y'all might know me from the Big Blue Road Show. I do a lot of Kentucky sports. I ain't done this video over there either for a while. But I'm still with Rudolph Trucking. So Rudolph Freight. Well, there's the dog. But the old red truck, it went down. And I got a new truck. So I figured I'd let you know. It's kind of the way we're going now. 2018's, 2014 is still a little different way. I got a 2020. I know a lot of y'all gonna say how you got 2020, it's only 2019. Semis are actually made a year in advance. The 2019 is actually a 2020 type thing. I'm not gonna show you the inside because it needs to be still straightened up some. But I got pictures of it from the inside of it from when I actually got the truck. And let's go for. I'll show you that to you in a little while at the end of the video. But when I show you the outside of the truck, excuse the mess. I'm out in San Diego, California right now. I've been kind of hit some snow, so I had some salt and I ain't washed it up yet. Other than that, let's get down to it. Alright guys, like I said, it's kind of covered in salt, but we'll see what we got here. Here's the front. I already got license plate on and stuff, but 2020 Freightliner Cascadia. I'm gonna end up getting some hub covers and lug nut covers there. Because I ain't done it yet. So all the salt is from New Mexico, believe it or not. A little bit of Arizona. Nice little window. I hardly ever open them though. Got a chain rack. 120 gallon tanks. 2 of them. It does have opti idle on here and a bunk heater. The truck starts up and shuts off, all temperature controlled. I've already got the hood latch popped, but you know, kind of like same way there. I think Freightliner's done for a while. It is a DD15 engine there. Once again, you see a lot of salt under here. I need to get everything washed back up. Go around to the other side. And then we got a DD12 transmission back there. I know a lot of y'all probably think you can't do automatics. This is actually a smart automatic. And there's a few. There's DEF there. It has 2 bunks in here. You'll see in the pictures. There's a ladder that actually goes with the bunk now. All in all, I didn't think I could do a damn DD automatic. But once again, here I am. Damn dog locked me out, so I'm sorry about the fingers. Here's a little bit of the inside. They do have a ignition shut off. This comes down for the batteries and all that under there. The other side is just a dummy door. Right there shows you the transmission. You got manual. We got manual. You got performance. You got economy and transmission. Probably one of the. I don't keep a whole lot of stuff in here, but it is a 2,000 watt inverter. I am set up to run land. I'm wired to run land power, but this right now is just a dummy. In here, I do have outlets, but Rudolph Freight, man, I've been here going on 9 months now. Best company I've ever worked for. Dispatcher actually cares. I kind of get the miles as I want them. This week I did 4,000 miles. I started off down in Pensacola, Florida. I delivered, that was my end of my week last week in Pensacola. I got that one on last week's check. Headed up to Memphis. Took a load up to Pennsylvania. And then from Pennsylvania, from Hazleton, well, up to Hazleton, Pennsylvania. From Hazleton, Pennsylvania, I went out to, came out here. I delivered in Ontario. And then deadheaded down here to San Diego. Getting paid layover. I've been here ever since yesterday morning. But so you think I didn't have to beg for it? My dispatcher just helped me out. But anyways, guys, like I said, these trucks, they want 10,000 down. With Rudolph Freight, you could do 5. Some of their new used trucks, they've gone down to 7,500 instead of 10. All I can say is you need to get in touch with Brian. Actually, we got a new recruiter now. Talk to Shelby. She's a real nice lady. She's fairly new with the company, but very nice lady. And maybe we can get something worked out and get you on one of these trucks, working for Rudolph Freight. And I mean, I can't complain. 9 months later, here I am. Now I got a brand new truck, and we got the miles to cover it. Like I've said in previous videos, AutoZone, Home Depot, Pella, those are some of our consistent ones we do, shippers and customers. We really don't run no further than up northern than Hazleton. It's California. We got 3 spots we go to. This is San Diego. We actually deliver here and pick up here in San Diego. And if the spins wasn't here, you could look right into damn Mexico. But we also go to Ontario, California. We go to Torrance, California. That's the other one I'm missing. And we also go to Tulsa, Arizona. Other than that, Terrell, Texas, San Antonio, Austin, about far west we go for the most part. We kind of run Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas. We do run through Indiana, but for the most part, that's more like tire loads and stuff. As this company is also does tires. Nice. Got a nice little handprint of salt now. But anyways, so we usually begin the month, end of the month, that little time period. We have some tire loads we do. But we go to one spot in Illinois. Danville, just barely, you go up I-74 and just barely in. First exit off of coming out of Indiana. Over to Pennsylvania, Ohio, and down the East Coast, all the way down to Florida. We go a little further in Ocala because we go down to Tampa. I ain't never been to Tampa yet, but I think we still got that one. But yeah, I mean, and back over to Texas. There's no force dispatch. I mean, I know guys here, really don't care to run places, certain places. The driver here really don't care to run in Pennsylvania in the wintertime. He's doing it, but all I can say is this is a place. Driver, I mean, I'm a driver. I mean, I'm telling you straight up. Get a hold of Shelby. Over in recruiting, I'll put her number down in the. I'll put a number down in there. I think it's 3 for recruiting, something like that. You call the number, so we can't get you rolling, making some good money. Any questions? I do have a B Trucking on Facebook, but you can also find me on Facebook at Brandon McAlpine, McAlpine. Answer any questions you have. Rudolph is on Facebook. You can find a bunch of us drivers on there. That's it, guys. Hopefully we can see you around. And peace.